Are you wondering if you have to do a major renovation on your home before you sell it this year? Well, today I'm going to give you my top 5 items to do before selling your home this year, and none of them involve major renovations. I'm Amy Pearson. I'm a local realtor in the Western Suburbs while serving downtown Chicago. And I do weekly videos like this one on real estate info as well as community information. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button. If you are anyone you know is looking to buy or sell in the Chicagoland area, feel free to reach out. I love to help you out. I've been helping people in the Chicagoland area find homes, and I've got your back in the Chicagoland real estate. All right, here's my top 5 items on things to do to get your home prepared for sale, and none of them involve major renovations, which is awesome. Okay, my first one is to declutter your home. So you may have lived there for 5, 10, 20 plus years, and you've acquired a lot of items. It's a great time to declutter. Maybe if you've got 10 knickknacks, remove most of them, maybe just leave 1 or 2. So just declutter the extra items that you have in your home. You're looking for clean spaces, maybe even look at magazines to sort of get inspiration. That is what buyers want to see, is a clean slate when they walk into your home so they can visualize themselves living there. My next one would be to depersonalize your home. So try to remove photographs, family photographs that you may have hanging on the walls or on dressers. Remove them. People want to picture themselves. They don't want to think about the people who own the house. They want to visualize themselves, and they have trouble doing it if they see photos of families there. Also, remove, if you're a sports fan, try to remove any sports memorabilia you may have. That's the first thing that'll stick in their mind. If they're a certain fan, they'll just have that in their mind, and you want them to see the house for the house and not for the sports memorabilia. I had a client once go through a house. They loved out everything, but all they couldn't stop talking about was this unusual decor item, which was, I think, from Pier 1, and it was a mounted elk horn that was painted white, and they couldn't stop talking about that. Even though they liked the house, it deterred from the whole house that they like. So try to declutter any unique items you have, personalized items. They want to visualize themselves there. Okay, my next one would be store any items you can off-site. So you want to get the closets looking as empty as you can so people can visualize how much storage space is available. When my husband and I were selling our condo, we collected boxes from some of the closets and took them to an off-site storage. It just makes the place look bigger and doesn't look like your closets are bursting, because people want to make sure there's enough storage space for them when they move in there. You could also do an outside storage space as well to store your items. All right, so my last one not my last one yet, would be to look at your kitchen and bathrooms. Kitchens and bathrooms is what sells a house. And if you just do some small upgrades, it could make a difference. Doing a major renovation does get top dollar, but there's no guarantee that you will recuperate the dollars that you put into the house to do the kitchen remodel. Also, timeline. It takes a lot of time to do a kitchen remodel. So if you're looking to sell in the next 3 months, a kitchen remodel could take a lot longer, especially with supplies right now. So just look at ways that you can update your kitchen and bathroom, small improvements. So make a checklist. Maybe the hardware could be updated. Maybe new kitchen faucets could make a little remodel upgrades without spending a lot of money, and it won't cost time to have contractors and materials to do the work. So small updates possibly on kitchens and bathrooms could just refresh and repolish those spaces. All right, my last one would be number 5 is to paint. So if you've lived there for many years, you've probably personalized all of your rooms and decorated with wallpaper and paint. You need to depersonalize, paint all the walls, uniform color, either white or gray. Either color works, but it just is a clean slate, and you can sort of compete with new construction because people are used to seeing clean slates and they don't want to see the bright red walls or the bright blue. That's all they will talk about, is that bright colored wall. Even though it's an easy fix, not all buyers are willing to make those fixes. So if you can paint your walls, that is a great tip to to get your home ready for sale. I'm Amy Pearson. I am a local realtor in the Western Suburbs. If you are looking to get ready to sell your house, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. I can give you some tips on how to get your house ready to sell, as well as give you my marketing plan. I've got a great video coming up that I think you'll like, so please check it out.